Hello and welcome back to another recipe video from Eat Skinny Life. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make sloppy joes, which is a really fantastic excuse to get really messy with a fantastic tasty recipe. Also, if you could leave me a comment down below about what I could serve this with, you'll be able to see what I serve it with at the end of the video, but any further ideas would be absolutely fantastic. So let's get cooking. Into a large saucepan, you want to pop that over a medium heat and spray that with low-calorie cooking spray. Next, you need to add 750 grams of 5% lean beef mince. Next, you want to add one finely diced large onion, and then drain off any excess fat. Next, you want to add one finely chopped red pepper and green pepper. Then you want to add 500 grams of passata. Next, add 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Then 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire Sauce. And 2 tablespoons of Balsamic Vinegar. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Paprika and 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. Add some extra seasoning to taste. Then you want to cover that and reduce it down by half for around about 40 minutes. Then grab yourself a roll and you want to fill each roll generously with the beef mixture. Then top with reduced fat cheddar cheese. One sloppy joe ready to go. And that is it, a really easy, tasty and delicious meal that you can get really messy with, really good. Again, if you can leave me a comment down below, that would be fantastic about what I could serve this with, because any further ideas would be brilliant. Again, if you like this video, consider hitting the like button, and also if you'd like to keep up to date with new recipe videos, consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.